Okay, it's the afternoon of October 5. It's a Saturday. My day person helped me today, and which really kind of needs some help. This is beam number 1, and the first 2 posts have been plumb and secured. Took a little bit more work than I thought it would, but now we've got it figured out and dialed in. So we also got beam number 2 on the right and beam number 3, another cantilever beam. They have all been installed. So that is 5 posts and 3 beams today. And then of course yesterday we got our first cantilever beam put in. I spoke about this the other day and it's here. So that's it. That gets us through October 5. It looks like we're finally progressing a little bit. You can sort of see how the truck port is coming together. There's one other beam that we will need to put in here, and until I figure out where this post is going on top of the wall, and actually more importantly how I put it on top of the wall, since the material for the stone cap is Connecticut bluestone. I think it's Connecticut bluestone. It's just bluestone, but if I put any weight on that, it's going to fracture. So I don't know how I'm going to cut a hole in that and how I'm going to support that yet. But the next step, Sunday, I've got a lot of stuff to do, but I'm considering trimming out all of the slots where the windows go and the doors. I need to actually put headers in and straighten out this wall. There's a little hinge right here, so it's not quite straight, but I haven't put the second plate on top yet. Once I do, that wall should straighten out. This corner is going to be where, once this post gets put in, I will have another cantilever beam to match the one right behind me. So I'll back up for just a second so we can see where it's headed. There, now we can see the post base, and we can see that we'll have a matching cantilevered beam in the post base in the foreground.